Instagram not working on mobile data? Here's how to fix it. Start with airplane mode. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. Tap the airplane icon, wait 10 seconds, then turn it off. If this method does not work, then try Check Cellular Data. For this, open the Settings app on your device. Next, tap on the Cellular option. After that, scroll to the Mobile Data section and then click on Show All. The list of all apps will appear. Make sure the toggle is turned on next to the Instagram app. Still not working? Try updating the app. Open the App Store and search for Instagram. If an update is available, tap Update and install the latest version. Next, try a force restart. Press and release the volume up button. Then press and release the volume down button. Now press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears, then release. After your phone restarts, check if Instagram works. If it still doesn't, reset your network settings. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on General. Again, scroll to the bottom and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, at the bottom, tap on Reset. A few options will appear. Click on Reset Network Settings. Confirm when the pop-up appears. Your device will restart. Check Instagram again. This should fix the issue, and that's it. For more quick fixes like this, feel free to like and subscribe.